Hello folks, today I have another very quick video to show you how you can add emotes into your own game. Now this tutorial is going to assume you already know how to install animations from Mixamo. If you don't, click the link in the description for my video where I show you how to install animations from Mixamo. It is super simple and anybody can do it. Now let's get into the video. I have went ahead and I downloaded these three emotes from Mixamo and we'll be using these three emotes for our emote system. First, I'm going to go to the folder where I have all my inputs. I'm going to go into the action folder, right click, and create a new input. And this input action, it would be IA underscore emote underscore 01. Now I can copy and paste this and I'll get emote 02 and then emote 03 and so on. Back in my input folder where I have my mapping context and press plus to add the new input. So I'm going to go ahead and search for emote and I have emote 1, emote 2, emote 3. In my first emote, I'm going to open it up and I'm going to click the keyboard and then press up on my keypad here. And for the emote 2, I'll go right. And for emote 3, I'll go down. Now we can go ahead and save it and close it. Back in our character blueprint, I'm going to find an empty spot here. Right click, search for IA emote, and we're going to pull in all three of the emote buttons that we have. Now that we have our input set up, we need to now get our montages set up. Because we're going to be playing emote and it's a one-shot animation, we want to use anim montage rather than our anim blueprint. So in my content drawer where I have my animation, I've actually renamed all of my emotes to have underscore emote. I'm going to select all three of them, right click, and I'm going to create anim montage. And this will create 3 anim montages for me. Just to keep it organized, I'm going to create a new folder, name it montage. Inside of it, I'm going to create a new folder, and this would be for emotes. I'm going to select the 3 anim montages that we just made, drag it, and drop it into the emote folder, and select move here. Now all of my emotes are in the montage folder. Now we have our anim montages ready, so let's go ahead in our blueprint. Off of started, we're going to say play montage. And here, I'm going to drag in my first montage, which could be my wave. It doesn't matter which one it is. And in skeletal mesh, we need to make sure that we plug in our mesh component here. And we're going to copy and paste this. And now I'm going to quickly change the montages. And this is all you have to do for the anim montages to play. Now, one more thing that I want you to check, because for you to be able to play montage, you need to have your default slot enabled. How you do that is go to your anim class or your anim blueprint. And in your anim blueprint, open up your anim graph. And here, make sure this slot, default slot, is actually added to your state. If you don't have this slot and if your main states are connecting directly to a control rig or to the output poles, you can simply search for a default slot and then connect the main state into your default slot and the output of the default slot into your control rig. And this should set up your default slot. Now, Unreal has an automatic blend. So if I'm playing my wave animation, if I go into Chicken Dance, it will automatically blend into the other montages. While playing one montage, if you play a secondary one, the second one will blend into the first one. So it creates a smooth transition. All right, folks, I just wanted to quickly show you how you can add emotes into your game. It's super simple to add the emotes, and there are tons of emotes in Mixamo for you to check out. So give it a try in your game and let me know how it goes in the comment section below. If you like this type of quick videos, let me know by hitting that like button and also subscribing to the channel, as I have more and more videos of this type coming up soon. I'll catch you on the next one.